For example, someone looks terrible. Like, oh my God, like their hair is like this, and you're like, oh, you look great, but I'm being sarcastic.
Oh, yeah.
This one next. Under the weather. Ah,
It was example?
yes.
I love the examples you said. It's very
Uh,
perfect.
I'm very demonstrative. Diligent. What is this?
Diligent, so dedicated person.
That does what?
What?
That does what? What does this dedicated person do? What are you dedicated to?
I'm dedicated to learn English.
This makes you diligent. Yes.
Yes.
Someone that
Honestly,
works hard to get to where they want.
yes. Honestly, I didn't review the vocabulary. I just
Good. Thanks. It's good that you
it's
remember,
the
though. Let's see. How about this one? Tip of the tongue.
yes. Oh, it's a tip of the tongue. It's mine in mine. Oh, I can. It's in here. Oh,
Tip of the tongue. Oh, what is it? What is it? Yes. I know what it is, but I can't spit it out.
yes.
Vague. Vaguely.
I vaguely remember our last vocabulary.
Perfect. Impressionable.
Impressionable. Learning English with an impressionable teacher like Millie is perfect.
But do you know what you're saying about me here? You're saying that I'm like easily influenced or I get excited about everything. Well, this is true. Okay, fine.
No. I just no. I mean, it's so easy. I mean, you say the words so easily. You deliver, you convey the message very
Good
better. So
work.
this is how it was.
Good. Very good. Tedious.
Tedious. I'm
You
so
forget
sorry.
this one.
Yeah.
It's my job is to fold this paper, put it away. Fold this paper, put it away. Okay. This is tedious work, something that's repetitive and boring. Sarcasm. Being
Sarcasm.
sarcastic.
Being sarcasm. It means it was not our lesson, but you just it was not the in the lesson.
Right. Okay,
Yes.
but we did talk about it. It did come
Yeah.
up, and we did talk about the definition of this word.
No, I don't remember.
Okay. For example, someone looks terrible. Like, oh my God, like their hair is like this, and you're like, oh, you look great, but I'm being sarcastic.
Oh, yeah. So
Okay? God, you look so great. You're so beautiful. But really, in the meantime, she looks hideous, disgusting, scary. Okay, what does it mean to wrap your head around something?
wrap your head. Mm, no.
Okay, I can't figure out how to use this. I'm trying to wrap my head around it. How do you use it? You get
Okay. Yes.
it? Okay, good.
I love the examples you said. It's very
Uh,
perfect.
I'm very demonstrative. Okay, oh no, I already did this one. Next. Under the weather. Ah,
It was example.
yes. Okay, my hat.
Ah, yes. Ah, my boss. I'm under the weather today. Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, 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 yes. You know, I think you can figure out how to use one of these. It's not rocket science.
Ah, yes. It's not rocket science.
So, okay.
So you use it in your hand. It's
No,
not
you
rocket
don't.
science.
It's a hair clip. It's for your hair. Okay, so it's not
Oh,
rocket science or it's not brain surgery. It's the same thing. It's not rocket
yeah.
science. It's not brain surgery. It's simple. You can do it.
Okay.
How's your day
So
going so
far, so
far?
good.
How did you know I was going to ask that?
What? You
That
asking
was
me?
so scary. I just said, how's your day going so far? And you said, so far, so good, like at the same time. That's what I was waiting for. Watch this video. We're at the ninth minute. Watch this video. It was so scary. How did
Really?
you know?
You use that?
Hmm?
You said that I don't
I
know what
said
you say.
I was gonna make you remember so far so good. And so I said, because I saw it here and I was like, how's your day going so far? And I said, while I was saying it, you said so far so good.
Oh yeah.
That
Oh,
was
I'm so intelligent. So
scary.
I
Okay. What does it mean when somebody says no pain, no gain? Yeah, I think you
no
knew this one
pain,
already.
no gain. You should hard work.
Work hard.
Work hard. Hard work. What's the difference between
You
work hard
working
or
hard
hard
or
work?
hardly working? See the difference?
Hard
You
work,
working
work
hard
hard.
or hardly working? Are you working hard like you're getting everything done, you're studying, you're, fixing stuff, you're working hard, or are you hardly working? No? Okay. I'm gonna explain it better. One second. Bore, quite the bore. Okay, that's it. So let me delete all of this. We did all of that. Good. Good for you. I'm very happy that you remembered most of these.
I'm
Okay,
so sorry.
so
I didn't review that today.
that's okay. At least you remembered. You have a good memory. No problem. This isn't mandatory. Are you working hard? I hate when people
You're
say this to me, by the way.
exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerating.
Is it a good word to use? You're exaggerating. I'm not remember lots of it.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna give you a better sentence with exaggerate. Let's look at this sentence. Oh, why can't I type today? Are you working hard or hardly working? Now, this is a question that if you're working in America, people will ask you this like a joke. Like they think it's like so funny, and it's not. So this means um, hardly when you like I hardly ever go out anymore, which means I almost never go out. I hardly eat bread anymore, which means
Yes.
I almost never eat bread. You understand? So when
Yeah.
somebody says, are you working hard or hardly working in the office? Do you get what that means? Are you doing all your work, getting everything done, or are you just sitting around doing nothing?
Ah, yes, yes. Gotcha.
You follow? Okay.
I working hard.
I
Yes.
am working hard. Yeah.
I am working hard.
Yeah. Good. Me too. Okay.